Look, this is my Nothing phone, but instead of running on Nothing OS, it's running on the stock Android 17. But don't think that it's only possible on Nothing phones. This same Android 17 you can run on your every brand's smartphone. So, we will install it later. First, let us see its features. Let's check the UI framework and customization. Pulling down the quick settings panel, the tile editing process is completely seamless. You can easily rearrange your layout to prioritize native system tools. Moving over to the home screen, the widget engine is highly responsive, whether it's pinning a Pinterest board or snapping a live screen time tracker onto the display. The launcher handles dynamic resizing and placement without a single stutter or crash. We also have full access to the deep system personalization through the wallpaper and style settings, applying new system-wide color palettes, tweaking contrast levels, and modifying the 4x4 app icon grid layout applies globally without requiring a system reboot. And the ultimate test for any advanced OS installation, the camera hardware. We open the native viewfinder, snap a macro shot, and the image signal processor handles the capture perfectly, processing and syncing immediately to the gallery. The core performance and rendering engine. Casual gaming is our baseline test, and as you can see with Subway Surfers, the frame rate is locked in and the touch response is instantaneous. But a daily driver isn't just about gaming. Launching cache-heavy applications like Instagram, Asphalt, and I also launched and tested quite a few apps, and everything ran very smoothly. For the skeptics who want proof of what we are running, let's dive straight into the system. Navigating through the native settings menu down to the About Phone section, we can verify the actual build details. A few quick taps on the Android version triggers the system Easter egg. We get the custom Android 17 badge, and more importantly, the hidden space navigation minigame is fully functional and playable. This confirms the deep, core-level integration of the software rather than just a superficial UI overlay. So, let's start the installation process. First things first, we need to enable developer options. Go to your settings, then tap on About Phone, and under Software Information, find the build number. Now, tap it 7 times. You'll see a message pop up saying, "You are now a developer." That means we're good to go. Next, head back to System and then Developer Options. Here, you can see that my bootloader is already unlocked. You cannot proceed without unlocking the bootloader first. To help you out, I have created a complete playlist covering bootloader unlocking for phones from all brands. You can check it out on my channel to unlock your phone's bootloader, and then come right back here and scroll down a bit and enable USB debugging. Accept any pop-ups you get. This is what lets your computer actually communicate with your phone for flashing or rooting. Once that's done, power off complete your phone. Press and hold the volume down and power buttons together. Within a few seconds, fast boot mode will open on your screen. Now, let's move on to the PC. Open any browser and search for platform tools. Go to the official Android developers site, scroll down, and download the version for what you want. I am doing this in Windows. Accept the terms and conditions and let that download. I have provided the direct links for all of these in the description. Next, Android 17 GSI. Go to the official Android developers page and navigating to the Get a Generic Image System section. Under there's a massive list of supported devices. I'm scrolling down until I find ARM64-GMS file and the corresponding Nothing image for the Android 17 preview. Once I click download, I have to agree to the terms and conditions and let that download. Once the both files are downloaded, extract the platform tools zip and GSI zip into single folder. It's always best to keep your OS images and your flashing tools in the same directory. Now, open that Platform Tools folder, click on the address bar at the top, type CMD, and press Enter. This will open your command prompt directly in that folder location. After that, connect your phone to the PC in fast boot mode. Now, let's check if the phone is connected properly. Type fast boot devices and press Enter. If you see a serial number on the screen, it means the connection is completely successful. Since the device is a modern device, we have to take it into fastboot D mode to flash it. For this, type the command fastboot reboot fastboot. As soon as you run this command, your phone will boot into fastboot D mode. This is a very important step for flashing GSI ROMs. We need to wipe the old user data so that the phone doesn't get stuck in a boot loop. Type the command fastboot erase user data and press Enter. After that, type fastboot erase metadata and press Enter. Now comes the main step. Type fastboot flash system. Then give a space and drag the Android 17 GSI image file that you downloaded and drop it directly into the command prompt. As soon as you press Enter, the flashing process will start. This might take some time, so have some patience and do not disconnect the phone from the PC by mistake. As soon as the flashing is 100% complete, congratulations! Android 17 has been successfully installed on your Android phone. Now, type fastboot-W and please enter. This will perform factory reset to boot up your device successfully. Now, just type the final command, fastboot reboot. Your phone will now restart. The first boot might take 2 to 3 minutes, so don't panic. After the first boot is complete, quickly skip the initial setup and boom! Now you can fully enjoy the new features, animations, and latest modifications of Android 17. If you face any errors during this process, definitely let me know in the comments. And yes, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.